In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $13,089 using Digistore 24 free done for you funnel, utilizing Digistore 24 Pinterest affiliate marketing traffic. I'm going to do that in 5 easy steps. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification button and the thumbs up button, because I'm going to be making more videos of how to make money online and you don't want to miss them. Okay, let's go ahead and continue right now. Okay, first we're going to talk about, of course, Digistore done for you funnel affiliate marketing Pinterest steps. So basically what are we doing? We're doing a Digistore Pinterest affiliate marketing traffic. And this is how we going to do it. Number one, how to promote Digistore 24 products affiliate marketing for beginners using Pinterest marketing. Number two, how to promote Digistore 24 affiliate marketing product without a website. Number three, how to use a hack to create a free Digistore 24 affiliate marketing funnel tutorial. And number four, how to create a Digistore 24 affiliate marketing video without you recording anything. And number five, how to increase your Digistore affiliate marketing commissions without email you don't have to write. Before we continue, I just want to clarify something. This video is made for two audiences. One is for the people that already have this funnel and they want more clarifications, which I'm going to provide. The second audience is the new affiliates that are exposed for the first time for affiliate marketing through Digistore 24. Now I'm going to show you how to do Digistore 24 Pinterest affiliate marketing traffic as well, and I'm going to do extra stuff. Now you're probably asking, well, what are the extra stuff? So let's go ahead and just do that. I'm going to show you how to create a money making pin on Pinterest and get free traffic. Some people that already have this funnel, they're asking about this question, so I'm going to show you live how to do it. Okay, here's the bonus. I'm going to give you the entire affiliate marketing business for Digistore 24 absolutely free, including the done for you funnel. But you have to wait for the bonus later on in the video so you'll know how to get it. Believe me, I have a reason of why I want you to wait, and I'll discuss that a little bit later on. So let's go ahead and move on. Now we're talking about Digistore 24 Pinterest automated funnel flow. You're probably wondering, okay, so what's the big deal? What's in it? Now the first thing is I want to Digistore 24. I picked a winning product. I picked that winning product very carefully, which I'm going to give to you. Then what we did is we went to Pinterest. Why did we go to Pinterest? If you follow my teaching, you'll know exactly why. Because you have to be in an environment where your customers or your prospects are. This product appeals more to people who use Pinterest. So what we did, we created a pin. And what we did after that, we created a bridge page, then we created an opt-in page, and then I created a sales page. Now the sales page already have a video, so you don't have to make a blog or anything like that. All this is included in the video that I'm gonna point you to later on in this video. I created a bridge page. I know a lot of people think bridge page is an opt-in page. It is not an opt-in page. This is the opt-in page. I know a lot of people put the opt-in page right here so people can opt in. I don't want to do that because of the fact a lot of social media, they are jumping to whatever you put in here and they follow it to see if it's an affiliate marketing product because they don't like affiliate marketing. So I put in a bridge page that has nothing to do with affiliate marketing or nothing to do, and it's not connected to the product that we are selling. And then after that, we put in the opt-in page where people have to put in their email address. On the bridge page, they don't have to put their email address. This is more like a tease. You want it? Click. That's it. And then after that, they'll end up in the affiliate marketing sales page. All right. How to make money on Digistore 24 without a website. I mentioned that before, and I want you to be clear. This is not just true for only Pinterest. It doesn't matter where you get your traffic from. If you get it from social media or you get it from solo ads, it really does not matter. The whole thing flow the same. And I gave you I'm gonna give you two options. One of them is that you can build your own funnel free, and all this is automated. In other words, when somebody click on your bridge page, and if they like what they see, they click, and then everything happens automatically, so you don't have to do much at all. Now, let's talk about Digistore 24 affiliate marketing funnel. What does it include in it? This is something that you have to know. Now, this is perfect for Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners. I know a lot of affiliate marketing for beginners, they have problems of how to start. So this is a pre-built Digistore 24 affiliate marketing automated funnel. Number two, you already have a bridge page, so you don't have to create one. Number three is a landing page already created. Number four, automated email sequence already been written. And then number five, a free email autoresponder. Here's the good part. All this, you can download it with one click. So I'm going to give you that link. When you click, you'll have everything. You'll have the sequence. You also have the funnel. You will have the funnel anyway. Now, the automation happens on the funnel side. I want to talk a little bit about what's in this thing, because some people, maybe they get a little bit confused about, or they think that this is a trial for 14 days. It is not. It is free. It's the one that I use anyway. What you get is unlimited landing pages and forms, unlimited traffic, customizable domain, email broadcasting. You can also manage up to 1,000 subscribers, subscriber tagging, sell digital products, and free build and launch a course. All that is free for 1,000 subscribers. All right, Digistore 24 Pinterest automated funnel flow. How does that going to flow? I just want to let you know exactly how it's going to happen. Now, like I mentioned before, I went on a Digistore, the product already picked up. It's a winning product. We went on Pinterest, created a pin, and then after that, bridge page, after that, opt-in page, and after that, the sales page that already have the video and the sales pitch in it. A lot of people have questions. They want to know how to put this pin, even though they already have this pin. I'm gonna show you how to create your pin on Pinterest. Before we go further, I just want to let you know that the link is not going to be in the description. What I'm talking about is a video that you're going to have access to that has the links and has everything in it that you can access. You can click inside the area. I'll tell you where to click, and you can get everything that I'm talking about. I'm going to put a link in this video, somewhere in this video. I'm not going to tell you where. There's a reason why I'm doing that. Believe me, I've been doing this for a very long time, and I know what I'm doing. The reason for that is simple, because I want to minimize your competition, whether you know it or not. We have a tracking system that we use for ourselves, our clients. The black area is all the products that we are advertising for. I can tell you that in 1 month, this is an old, by the way, right now it's probably a lot more than that. It's about 7,000 last time I checked. These are butt clicks. In other words, they go into the description area in YouTube and they click on whatever I'm giving you. If I'm giving you a free funnel, they get that free funnel and they compete with you. So what does that do? This is going to make your life harder, because whatever I'm doing that I'm giving you, somebody else is getting it and having a robot click on that link. So that's why I have it somewhere inside this video. So make sure to watch the whole video in order for you to get that link. When you find that link, you stop the video, you go to your browser and you type it in. This is the only way we can avoid people from tricking the system and clicking on things and making it hard for you. The last thing you want, believe me, is more competition that are just stealing stuff and competing with you. We're going to do affiliate marketing with Pinterest. We're going to go to Pinterest so I can show you exactly how to create that pin, what to do and what not to do. Before we continue, I just want to take a step here and just remind you that I'm going to give you the bonus, and you're going to have everything that you need to get started for free. Again, all you have to do is just make sure you watch the video to see that link displayed. When you see it displayed, you stop the video and then you type it on your browser. The reason I'm saying that is because I get a lot of folks that skip the video and they make it hard on themselves, and then they send me a comment or something and they asking they didn't see it because they didn't see the whole video, because I'm not going to put that link for other people to steal it for too long. Just want to make sure. Now, some people also ask me why you are doing that. I am doing this for free. Obviously, I'm not selling no course, you know that. I'm doing it for free because when I first got started, there were nobody there to help me to start my affiliate marketing or how do I make money online and things like that. So it was very difficult for me. So I decided to do this for free to help people. And I want you to do the same. So when you become successful, do something for other people as well. So this is very good. I get a lot of email and comments from people. I wish I can show you. I don't have the time to show you all the comments that I'm doing it for free, and they appreciate that. So all I want you to do in return is to support this channel by subscribing, hitting that notification button, and thumbs up, which is a vote basically. You're telling me that you like this video and you want more of the same thing. So if you didn't do that, make sure to do that right now. Otherwise, the message will be you don't like the video, you don't want more of these videos. You can be successful by just following the right people like I did. So let's go ahead and get going here, because like I mentioned to you before, I'm going to give you this bonus right here. So we talked about it. It's about Digistore 24 Pinterest affiliate traffic and how you can utilize it for Digistore 24. Of course, Digistore 24 Pinterest affiliate marketing is something very powerful that you should take advantage of. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is to go to the product. This is the product that we actually pick. Click on the affiliate support. This is what I want you to do first, is to get some information, because we're gonna need that information later on. What I'm talking about is this: when you go and you see that, you go here, then you can just take that and play the video, which is right here. It just gives you the information, and the information that you get that you want to put in your Pinterest marketing has to be related to this. Okay, it makes sense. So what I did, went over this, and I took some information from here to do that. In other words, I wanna show you exactly what I did, but I want you first to go here so you can get exactly what I am talking about when I create the pin. Now after that, we're gonna go to Pinterest. I'm not gonna show you how to open a Pinterest account. You're smart enough because you're on my channel. So what you want to do is go to this plus right here, plus sign. You click on it, and first, what do you want to do? Click on board. I just remember something. When you are starting your Pinterest account, start a business account just like this, a business account. The reason for that is because they give you a stat. They tell you how many people they click on this and that, what have you. Now, even if you have a personal account, you can change it to business account, so it's not an issue. Okay, let's go back here. You click on this and then you go on board. After that, you want to go ahead and just name that board, and then you create that board. That's the first thing that you want to do. You want to create that board. Then after that, what are we going to do? We're going to go up here on create and then click here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a pin. Okay, we're going to create a pin. You click on the pin, and then you get to this right here. Now, in case you want to learn more about this, just watch this video again. Okay, the first thing that you want to do right now is look up here, says add title. So I'm going to go ahead and just put in a catchy title that I got from the affiliate marketing resource page on Digistore 24. I'm going to go ahead and put it. I'm gonna go ahead and not show you this because the reason for that, I know that after so many years, everybody is gonna go and put exactly what I put. And when that happens, everybody loses. You're doing the same thing, and then Pinterest tell you you are spamming. That's why I'm doing this. I'm not trying to be mean. I want you to think for yourself a little bit. That's okay. Now here it tells you, it says, tell everybody or tell everyone what your pin is about. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some information, and of course I'm gonna go ahead and just not show it because I don't want people to copy exactly the same thing. And then here what you want to put says add a destination link. Here what you want to do is add your destination link, and what's gonna happen when you add your destination link, when they click on your pin, they will go to either the affiliate marketing page, which I do not recommend you doing that, and I'll just make maybe another video about that. You want to go around that because it takes them straight to a pin that is associated with affiliate marketing. It will take you to the affiliate marketing sales page that has the video. So you put the link here. Whatever your link is, you just put it right here. And then after that, you want to go ahead and just put this up. What I'm talking about is drag and drop. This is the one that I gave you, okay? This is very important for you to understand. Please understand this. This is a value pin because what's it's doing right here is saying, okay, I'm not just gonna give you a link so you can buy it. I'm gonna educate you. I'm gonna send you to a video. Watch the video. This is a value pin. A lot of people don't even teach you that. The other question that I have, and I get a lot of people asking me the same thing, what I created for you. This is from Digistore 24 for Pinterest. But however, at the same time, this is just an example, guys. This is one pin that I created for you. When you watch the video that I'm going to send it to you, or that you're gonna have, it's gonna tell you how to create some other ones very quickly, especially for Pinterest, without you messing too much around. They're already been created. You don't just want to put one pin. You want to put multiple pins. So all you have to do is just click on publish, and then it'll be inside your Pinterest board. If you want to speed up the process of success of Digistore 24 affiliate marketing, I just want to let you know that you can do that. And these are for the people who want to achieve their goal and they're serious about their success. They do this. I'm going to go ahead and tell you what is it. 10x your traffic very quickly, which is a Digistore 24 targeted traffic in 24 hours. In other words, you would be receiving your targeted traffic for people who are looking for your product in 24 hours. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description for that so you can take advantage of it as well. And I think I have a discount for you. I'm not really sure. So let's go ahead. I want to just explain that to you. The traffic, the one that we talked about as far as the traffic is coming from Pinterest, which is a free platform. As you know, and you're smart enough to know, when you are using a free platform, it takes a while for it to start producing anything, simply because you're starting with one pin. So the best way to do it, and that's what most successful affiliates do it, and they get to their target and they start making money, generating money quickly, is by using a 24-hour targeted traffic. In other words, you will be receiving those leads, and it's really not expensive at all. It's very cheap. They'll be receiving it within 24 hours. It'll be sent to your bridge page. So this is a process that you should do if you want to succeed in Digistore 24 Pinterest traffic or affiliate traffic. This is something that you really have to do if you want to succeed quickly. Now listen up, this is very important. If you want to learn everything about affiliate marketing and make money at the same time, click here. If you want to learn everything about ClickBank and how to start ClickBank and how to use ClickBank, you can go ahead and click right here. This is gonna take you into a full course of how to do everything on ClickBank. And as usual, I will see you at the top.